Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through using virtual desktops in Windows 11 to stay organized and productive. Virtual desktops let you create separate workspaces for different tasks. To get started, click the Task View icon on the taskbar or press Windows plus Tab. At the top, click New Desktop to create another desktop instantly. You can open different apps on each desktop, like work apps on one and personal apps on another. Switch between desktops by clicking them or using Ctrl plus Windows plus left or right arrow keys. To move an app, open Task View and drag the window to another desktop. You can also rename desktops for better clarity. Virtual desktops help reduce clutter, improve focus, and manage multiple projects smoothly within Windows 11 every single day. Subscribe the channel for more videos.